In the wake of unprecedented rainfall and devastating floods, it was very important for Pakistan to reach out to the affected families. Prime Minister of Pakistan announced a relief package to provide 25,000 per affected family through Benazir Income Support Programme. So Benazir Income Support Programme immediately rolled out its operations despite challenges, despite communication issues, despite internet issues, despite the fact that many areas in Pakistan were totally cut off. But it was important to reach out to people, and without wasting any time, my organization, my whole team was there on ground, and we take pride in the way Benazir Income Support Programme has been working day and night without any breaks during weekends, trying to provide relief to as many people as we can. So far we have reached 1 million families. We've been able to provide this cash relief of 25,000 to 1 million families of Pakistan who've been affected by floods. It is very important to reach out to each and every family that has been affected by these recent catastrophic floods in Pakistan. We are going to be covering another 2 million families, but the need is much more. We are hoping that we can reach out to the remaining numbers, and inshallah Pakistan is all geared up to support and to provide relief to the flood affected people.